Now everyone probably just in coma right now.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for...
Good morning everyone. So today is Wednesday and I think I'm going to vlog my day today. I haven't really got much planned, but I'm just going to try and be as productive as possible. This is what the TV sees, Jay.
Yo.
So it's 10 o'clock and I've not got up. I've been quite lazy today. So it's just started raining and we've opened all the windows and we're just snuggled up in bed watching The Last Kingdom, and now it's 11 o'clock and we really do not want to get out of bed. It's so snuggy. Who else loves a rainy... It's pouring with rain and one of my neighbours thinks it's a good idea to do something incredibly loud on the rainiest day. Jamie's made my bed. A walk in the forest today. They're really nice.
There's snowdrops, I think.
What are the things in them? Oof, I sniffed it. What did you just say?
I said it's called verbena and it's poisonous.
I sniffed it. You're kidding. Is it poisonous? Oh, hey, you're being mean to me.
We've got to remember where we've been and walked, otherwise we're going to be lost here.
Satisfying noises.
Like a...
Ew, there's all bugs. Do you think we're allowed through here?
Yeah.
This is made for really skinny people.
Best jump over then, Oz.
Are we allowed on here? Cobwebs. Cobwebs.
Spider as well.
Don't. I want to climb it, but it says do not.
I feel like I'm on DV.
Not that heavy. Jamie really wants a McDonald's. He's been going on and on about McDonald's for ages, and we keep coming past, the queue's ridiculous, and I'm not really that fussed about McDonald's, but Jamie really wants one. So today I've let him have his way and we've come to McDonald's. Our first one. Baby.
Double cheeseburger, 5 chicken selects, large chips, Fanta, maybe a chicken mayo as well.
God, Jamie, you greedy boy. We're almost there. He's screaming because he's so excited. Don't know what to get. I can't see the menu.
Look. Just look at what you want now, because we're not coming an hour in.
Oh, it smells so good. Jake. Yay!
Where's my straw, bub?
We're at our favourite spot and we're about to tuck in.
Oh man, I'm so happy. Oh my god.
Now everyone will probably despise me for doing this, but I eat it like this.
No way, do you? Really?
Well, I'm in, oh my god, my hand's so greasy. I'm in a total food coma right now. For me, the best bit was the Coke. Missed the Coke, but it was nice, but I don't feel like I missed it that much. But it was good.
Do you want to jump out or just put it in the bin?
I haven't got my shoes on.
That's alright.
Inside, it's outside. It's all outside.
See, Karen!
You're gonna lie so easily.
Okay, so I'm just about to do some editing for my next video. I'm going to bed now because I'm extremely tired. I've done lots of editing too, so that's really good. To try and get an early night. Never get an early night, so this is like rare. This is really good. Yeah, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. I hope you'll have a lovely week.